In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a circular loading animation in Figma. This tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to Figma, you'll be able to follow along and create an eye-catching loading animation. Let's start by creating our basic shape, the circle. In Figma, you'd want to use the ellipse tool to draw out your circle. This shape will serve as the foundation for our loading animation. Once you've got your circle, transform it into a half circle. You can do this by using the Boolean operations available in Figma, which allows you to modify your shapes with precision. After you've halved your circle, it's time to create a hole inside it. You achieve this by reducing the ratio, a process that involves resizing part of the circle to give it that hollow, donut-like appearance. This step is crucial because it gives the loading animation that dynamic and recognizable loading donut appearance. Now, let's make the circle whole again to complete our donut shape. Once you have your full donut shape, copy and paste this donut right in the same spot. This duplication is vital for layering. Change the color and length of this second donut, reducing it to be just 1/4 of the total circle. This smaller segment is what will give the effect of movement in our animation. Next, you'll want to copy this quarter circle 3 more times, making a total of 4 pieces. Each of these copies should be rotated in 90-degree increments, effectively quartering the whole donut. This positioning prepares each segment for animation, creating the illusion of a rotating loader when we tie it all together. Now, let's take all these donut segments and group them into a component set. By turning your pieces into a component set, you're setting the stage for adding animations, which is the magic behind the circular loading effect. Head over to the Prototype tab in Figma. Here, you'll want to connect all the segments via animations. Set the interaction trigger to delay and use a 1 millisecond delay. This helps in ensuring that the transitions appear seamless. Choose Smart Animate for the animation and apply a linear animation curve. Smart Animate will make sure the transitions between the segments appear smooth and fluid. Finally, don't forget one important detail. Connect the last frame back to the first frame. This step is crucial for creating a loop, which is what makes it a continuous loading animation that doesn't come to a halt. When you preview your work, you'll see that you've successfully created a circular loading animation. It's a simple yet effective way to add some engaging visual interest to a design. By following these steps, you've learned how to incorporate animated elements into your work seamlessly.